Hey guys, Jason here. This video is probably going to be my first video on this channel, and also the first video you guys are going to see after, well, almost 3 years of nothing. Everything you see here is pretty much new. That also includes me. My name is Jason. I'm the new face of Jean-Claude Cayer Enterprises YouTube channel. We are a storyteller and we carry a lot of industry well-known brands. We're located in Canada's capital region and mostly serve the Eastern Ottawa area with our local store and also the entire world with our online shop. For me, myself, I'm in charge of maintaining all our social media presence and also this YouTube channel. Compared with a lot of other people on tour-related channel, I'm definitely a beginner experience-wise on tools and even the entire industry. There's a lot of knowledge that I need to learn and also a lot of mistakes for me to make. And that's exactly the point. I'll definitely share with you guys what I learned from all those mistakes that I made through these videos. And by that, we can all learn from it and make better decisions, either professionally or personally when purchasing or renting tools. If you're one of our old subscribers, like when I say few, I mean 48, you might notice we're still in our old room, almost 3 years ago. In the past 2 weeks, we cleaned up this room again and also built the set that we're looking at right now. Definitely videos to come because there are a lot of things that we want to share, some small tips and tricks about setting up an IKEA kitchen or use it in your garage setting. And fun fact, for our next 2 videos, both ideas comes from the entire, I guess, revamp of our filming area. So stay tuned for all those. As of this point, this side is almost finished, as you guys can see. We're still missing a door on that side, so IKEA still have to send us the damaged door, but that's it. There might be tweaks here and there needed for different filming needs, but that's pretty much functional as of right now. As of the future of this channel or this filming area, both me and you guys can expect a lot of comparisons, reviews, and general tips and tricks about building stuff or about tools. Those content either comes from what I learned during the process of making the video or suggestions from you guys or just experience from day-to-day work. If you guys have some suggestions of content, correction of our information that we shared, or just general advice for how to make our video better, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment area or just send us an email directly. I'll probably be the person who replied to you, but please. If it's a pretty small mistake, we'll put the corrected information in our descriptions. If it's a big issue, we'll definitely make another video to explain and tell people what's going on and also apologize for our mistakes. Now, onto our recent projects. As I mentioned before in the previous section, our next video is going to be a general walkthrough and some tips and tricks that we want to share about building your garage with IKEA kitchen furniture. It's pretty interesting because I never thought there's going to be that much, I guess, small hiccups along the way when setting up IKEA stuff. After that, we have a few words to say about the screw they use for all the IKEA furniture. More specifically, the correct screw bit you need to assemble all IKEA furniture correctly. During each video in this format, we'll try to inform all of you guys what's to come in the future, in the very near future of our channel, say what's next week, what's week after that. So I guess stay tuned until the end and don't skip the video midway, please. At the very end, I would like to answer a fairly essential question that even I had for the past few weeks. That's why we're on YouTube. As a storytelling business, we have a lot of information to share and also to educate people, that include myself, about specific tools or the entire industry. And as a content creator myself, I always want to tell stories. Stories about things to learn and stories about things to share. And that's exactly why I'm standing here. So all we're trying to do here is to share useful information, suggestions, or opinions about things we care to the people and community that we deeply live with. Like a lot of good things in life, it's always too early to say goodbye, but never too late to say hello. So, hello, Jason here. See you next week. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends, your family, and your neighbors. Also, we do have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram linked down in the description. And please go bother our social media person, that's me, and say hello. So, see you next week. Bye.